Welcome to Iran, Baluchistan.
It is crazy to think that I'm in Iran right now. Everything looks and feels and tastes like Pakistan. This is a very special culture that deserves to be recognized, so don't go anywhere. I'm about to blow your mind by Balochistan. Baluchistan is an arid desert and mountainous region that spans Pakistan, Afghanistan, and Iran. With some of the most breathtaking nature on earth, a very humble culture, and a history tracing all the way back to 7000 BC, this place has been on my bucket list for ages. Well, I finally made it out here to Iranian Balochistan with my Persian friend Amin, along with his buddies Hamzeh and Shaquib. We are about to open up your mind to this hidden world that you've never seen before.
Alright!
Yes.
Let's go to SHALWAR!
Yes.
So this is just for you, the Tunis.
We are driving from Bandar Abbas to Chabakar, and all three of my Iranian friends, two of them who are tour guides, have never been here.
So taking this road is also very new for us.
You can see in front of us is beautiful mountains here. I'm pretty sure I'm the only American that's been right here in this spot.
So you are one of the very few foreigners. Our next destination is Jusk, so we have about 1.5 hours to Jusk.
See you there. We're getting really close to the border of Balochistan, and you can already start to see how the culture is changing. People are wearing SHALWAR KAMEEZ. Pakistan they call SHALWAR KAMEEZ. I think I should get one too because I just fit in more, especially with my camera.
Yes.
And it's more respected. You become more respected.
Salam. He says that with your white skin and red hair, darker color fits better.
Okay, dark is good.
I was amazed by how efficient this tiny shop was. They were able to customize my SHALWAR KAMEEZ within minutes, and everyone inside, including the kids, were so welcoming. When in doubt, it's always a good idea to dress like the locals, and clothing stores in this region of the world are often great places to make friends.
This is also nice for you.
Yeah, this one. 'Cause I really need to do laundry, and now this is brand new, so I can wait a few more days. Oh my god. The fattest man in the world can wear these for after 6 He does it so fast. Alright, putting this on. Yeah, I'll wear it.
They have different prices. Mine and Shakib was 6 million riyal each. Yours is 33. And Hamzeh is the most expensive, which is 40.
Guys, I just want to say that we look great.
Yes, yes. With
Yes.
the outfits.
We are cruising. Gonna get some food now because we're starving. Not a lot of options out here, to be honest, because we're kind of in a rural little village, but we shall find something. Oh, it's hot. Doesn't it feel hotter here than the other places we've been? I haven't worn one of these since I was in Afghanistan, like 18 months ago.
They have chicken biryani, like what you get in India and Pakistan, yeah? Fish, local from this area also.
I think we should do the biryani because I feel like I'm in Pakistan, and I love biryani. Oh wow, this is very local. They have the same in Pakistan, but a little bit differently made here. Here we go. That's the best biryani I've ever had, hands down. It's spicy. I don't even know what they put inside of it. Man, that's good, right? Some kind of spice that I can't quite identify, but it's really tasty. And then the raw onion, they just eat pieces of raw onion with it.
You know that we are very close to Sea of Oman, Gulf of Oman, so they catch fish every day, and this is the catch of the day.
Oh, that was good. Feeling full. I'm ready to continue a day of adventure. The only other place in the world that I've seen sand dunes meet with the ocean is Namibia. And these beautiful dunes take me back to Saudi Arabia from 6 months ago. This outfit brings me back to Afghanistan. You mix all those things together, you get beautiful Iran. Wow. This is a different world than Tabriz, completely.
Totally. It was freezing cold.
In the mountains,
now in mountains,
and the people were
snow,
white.
And now we are in different world. We are here in southeast of Iran.
Yep. You've never been here before.
In this beach, I've never been.
Oh, this is the first time for Amin.
For me also the first time here, and the scenery is unique.
Yes, we must drink water. We are full of sand. Oh yeah. That was crazy. We've made it to a small village where we're going to be sleeping for the night. We're about 70 kilometers outside of Chabakar, where we will be tomorrow. So it's really cool. It's like little huts in the middle of nowhere.
Gentleman is the owner of the place.
Welcome. دعوت از یک بلوچ.
On behalf of a Baluchi gentleman, he hopes, that peace actually be all around the world,
I'm really impressed by these accommodations. It's like an eco lodge out here. Here's my room. We're arriving right now. It's literally like a yurt.
Called kapar. Third branch of palm tree, date palm.
Oh, cool.
And this is also made out of the leaves of the date palm, sun-dried mud bricks.
So it's a very sustainable
Exactly.
lodge. Always have shoes for you. All right. Oh, it's milk tea. Chai.
So the scarf in Baluchi culture is very important to the extent that they call it the hidden weapons of the Baluch.
Hidden weapon.
Yes.
And what do you use this for?
So as you can see, they tie it around their knees when they are sitting on the floor. It's helped them to be really comfortable.
Oh, I can like lean back.
Yeah.
Wow. I feel like I'm sitting in a chair.
Exactly.
I've never seen other people do like this. The man just gave me his scarf. Do you think he like wants me to keep it?
Yes, definitely. The people here, when they offer you something, they want you to keep it.
Thank you very much. Can you tell me that? Thank you. Morning, guys.
Morning.
How are we doing?
Very well. Good morning.
It is now time to go to Chabakar, the glorious city of Balochistan. It's about 80 kilometers or 2-hour drive because the roads are bumpy. I'm excited to go here. This is a place that you kind of see on the map and you go, whoop. Yep, I want to go there. Mamnoon.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank
Mamnoon. Mamnoon. Very nice. Yeah.
Goodbye.
You know, this place really feels like Pakistan. It's just less busy. Pakistan, you'll have way more honking horns, way more people like running around, more chaos. Here is a little bit more calm and more organized. What's your name? We made it to Chabahar. We look great. We are hitting the markets right now first. We're gonna see what we can discover. What's it like to live here?
That we have fun here, we are relaxed here, everything is okay. So
I haven't had breakfast yet. What do you recommend?
اینجا که پکوڑا است که اونجا میپزند دست بعد
they have a مثل falafel. They have
falafel.
They have a dish called pakura. It's like falafel with the chickpea flour, with chilies and etc.
Got it. So where can I try that falafel dish?
The gentleman says that over there on the left you will find a
Falafel. Oh yes. Fresh falafel made by this man, recommended by the other kid that we met. And before I eat this, I just want to say that my stomach's been a little bit messed up the last few days. I have food poisoning, but you can't not eat this when you come here. Oh my God. The falafel just oozes out. The falafel is just chickpeas, but then you just hit with these flavors of fresh tomato, pickles, onions, cilantro, and spicy sauce. This is as good as a falafel can get. Something that's fascinating about Baluchistan is that 90% of people, men and women, are wearing the traditional outfits. You don't see street clothes almost anywhere, and that's partly the reason why I'm wearing one as well, just to kind of fit in a little bit more and be more respected among the people here.
Baluchistan is the proud home of one of the most fascinating cultural identities in the Middle East. The 3 million people here speak Balochi and largely practice Sunni Islam, and it's also one of the only places in the Middle East where you'll meet native Afro-Iranians. Ancestrally, this minority group was brought here during the Indian Ocean slave trade, and even though they are Farsi speaking today, they stay connected to their roots in Tanzania, Mozambique, and Malawi. As a traveler and somebody who loves humanity, the faces here speak volumes about what it means to endure, to be human, and to be Balochi.
There's a spice shop here. You can smell it from the street. Come on in. Assalamu alaikum. Whoa. Dude, breathe in here. Wow. These spices and curry powders are pretty much identical to what you would find in Pakistan. Wow. These are all locally made, or are they imported from?
Those are local, these are imported from Pakistan.
Oh, they are imported from Pakistan. It does not feel like we're in Iran.
Definitely for us it's something new and it doesn't feel like.
And these guys are from Iran. It's
the
cool.
type of the bazaars,
Bazaar,
the
the
people,
atmosphere.
everything.
Guys, something really special just happened and I want to share with you. Through my Just Go app, I connected with a guy here in Chabahar and he invited me to meet up with him. It's amazing what's happening right now. There's over 10,000 people in here connecting, sharing photos, sharing travel advice, getting travel advice, attending meetups around the world. It's really an awesome space. I hope you guys will join. Click the link below. You can download it on the App Store or Google Play, and I would love to see you guys in here because there's already 10,000 people and it is poppin'. We have made it to the house of the goat. So Mr. Taster, the amazing Iranian foodie guy, told me about this guy who lives here in Chabahar where he cooks the goat underground for hours and hours. So we got connected with him and he invited us here for dinner to enjoy goat, a very traditional meal. Salam, salam. Salam, salam, Kubi. This whole place is like a workshop. Like he has the wood here, which he grabs. He's got the leaves there. He's got the ovens there.
Oh, fire. Fire is kind of sacred in Iranian culture, I can say. Olden times, Zoroastrian period, fire was considered as one of the holy elements. Water, air, soil, and fire. And fire most probably was the most important one because we had fire temples. On the last Tuesday evening of the year, a special celebration in praise of fire.
All of this is the goat that is just waiting to be cooked. Only in Baluchistan can you see this kind of preparation for goat. I mean, that's really special. It's made out of clay and mud mixed together. The meat has been placed inside and we must wait 2 hours for it to cook.
I'm really excited to see what we will see inside this oven.
Are you hungry?
I'm very hungry.
Get the first whiff of that. Oh my god, that smells good. Wow. Dude, that's insane. This is our portion right here. The rest we have given to the other people here, the families. But this is the one that we're about to go eat at this guy's house. He invited us over. We're gonna go feast. Wow. Wow, thank you. Merci, merci. Thank you. Very refreshing.
Oh.
Wow. A huge plate of freshly made goat. I'm so hungry, but I just feel like looking at it and not eating because it just looks like a thing of art. You can just see how tender it looks with all the spices on it. Cheers, bro.
Bro. Really good.
It's soft. That smoky flavor is fantastic. Look how burnt it is to the crisp right there.
It's very crispy.
Oh, crunchy like a chip. Oh, that's my favorite part. It's like the extra crunchy outer shell. Oh, there's chicken. Nice.
the chicken
I didn't even know that they're bringing chicken. Thank you. I know that goat might not be the most popular meat of choice, especially for all my American friends out there, but it's absolutely fantastic. Mountain Dew, my favorite as a kid.
Really?
Oh, yeah, my favorite.
It's amazing. It's the best.
Have you ever had goat that tastes like that in your life?
Wait, never, ever.
Isn't that crazy? They're all from Iran, but they've never tried the way that it's cooked so perfectly. All right, I'm gonna stop filming and I'm just gonna eat because I'm starving. Thank you. Oh man, I am stumbling my way out of that. The Middle East is my favorite region in the world, and this is exactly why. You know, I have flashbacks to being in Iraq with my friend Alvaro. We had a very similar experience in Yemen when I was eating the sheep head with the family, and they invited me inside. It's unbelievable. It's truly the home of hospitality. I'm just happy here, and I want you guys to know that this part of the world is safe. Muslim people are amazing. They're not scary. They're beautiful. They welcome me in. I have conversations all the time about being Jewish, being American. They don't care. They're happy about it. They think it's cool. I hope you learned about a new culture and a new place in the world that you didn't know before this video. I would love to hear from you in the comments below. Please let me know where you're watching from. And there's still more to come from this awesome Iran adventure. Hit me up on Instagram at Drew Binsky, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. I'm Drew Binsky, and thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to this channel in the bottom left if you want to see more adventures from every country, and in the bottom right you will find my second channel, which are bonus travel stories that have never been seen. Lastly, on that middle link, I'm giving away for free my best flight hacks. Until next time, stay safe, be spontaneous, and just go.